Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Standby mode in iOS 17 allows you to transform your iPhone into a versatile companion while it's charging. But what if it's not working? In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue on your device. Let's go. First, verify whether your iPhone model supports standby mode. This feature is available on iPhone models that run iOS 17, including iPhone 11 to 15 series, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, and iPhone SE 2nd generation or later. Keep in mind that always-on standby mode is limited to the iPhone 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 15 Pro, and 15 Pro Max. Older models require tapping the screen to access standby. By default, standby mode is enabled in iOS 17. To confirm that it's turned on your device settings, go to Standby. If it's off, toggle on Standby. If it is also supported, enable the Always On toggle as well, then adjust other smart settings under Display if needed. Low power mode can also interfere with standby mode. To disable it, on your settings, scroll down and find Battery. Then toggle off the low power mode. You can also use the control center to disable it. Apart from being connected to a power source, one of the primary prerequisites of using standby mode in iOS 17 is placing your iPhone in landscape mode. However, if you have the orientation lock enabled on your iPhone, it may interfere with standby mode and prevent it from working as expected. To ensure that this isn't the case with your iPhone, launch the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen, and locate the orientation lock icon in the status bar up top. If you see the given icon, toggle off the portrait orientation lock. If the previous solutions don't work, force restarting your iPhone can help you fix software-related glitches that may prevent features like standby mode from working as expected. For iPhones with Face ID such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. If standby mode is still not working on your iPhone after the above solutions, your last line of defense is contacting Apple support. There may be a problem specific to your iPhone that technicians can better help you diagnose. To get started via web chat, visit getsupport.apple.com on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or PC and choose the appropriate option. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.